Now let's check for the double digits. So far we were doing matching and extracting for a single digit. Now let's check the example for the double digits. Now how we can check how we can match the double digits with the help of the regular expression. Example number 4. First import the regular expression library, and then x equals to 5 people came after 12:56 p.m. y equals to re.findall of 0 up to 6 and then from 0 up to 9 comma x. Print of y, its output will be 12 inside the quotes comma 56 inside the quotes. This will be the output. Look, we are checking for the double digits. We are matching and extracting double digits here. Last time we were doing it for the single digit. So first to import the regular expression library, just write import and then re. X equals to 5 people came after 12:56 p.m. y equals to re.findall of 0 up to 6 and then 0 up to 9 comma x. The maximum second digit is 6 here. First take the range from 0 up to 6 and then take the range from 0 up to 9. You have to put two ranges here. Inside the close brackets, you have to put two sets from 0 up to 6 and the other is from 0 up to 9. Now when you do two sets of the range, it will give you double digit here. It will only return the double digit. We have 5, but it won't return the 5. It's not greedy. It will only return the double digit. Double digit here we have 12, so it will return 12, and then we have 56, it will return 56. So when you put two sets of the range, it will return two digits here. It will return the double digits value, not the single digit. Only double digit values, which are 12 and 56. This will be the output here. It's not a problem. You can also take the range from 0 up to 9 and then from 0 up to 9. It is up to you. But since the maximum double digit is 6, therefore you can simply pick the range from 0 up to 6 and then from 0 up to 9. It will only return the double digit values. If you remember last time we had from 0 up to 9, but then we had plus. This plus sign makes the expression greedy. This will print everything in the output. But since we don't have any plus sign, and also we have only the two sets of the range, so when you put two sets of the range, it will return only the two digits values, not the single digit. So I hope it is clear by now.